Hey, Eric here with Brick and Nick and Friends to bring you guys a quick review of my Ender-3 V2. My only real complaint is that the fans are a bit loud. I'm not sure if you'll be able to hear them on camera, but I do keep it in a room that I don't use very often. The menu system this thing uses is great, super easy to read, super easy to navigate. Assembling the printer is super easy. It comes with really high quality hardware and all the instructions are easily available online. Now, for those of you who do know 3D printing, here's a Benchy I printed on my first day ever with this thing. You can look at the arches, they're really well done. The circles and edges, very crisp and clean. This thing has some pretty high quality prints. Now the build plate on this isn't necessarily the largest, however, it hasn't stopped me from 3D printing larger things. You just have to print them in pieces and then assemble them later. Overall, it's a super easy 3D printer to use. Everything comes in the box that you would need to get started other than filament, and it's a great way to get into the 3D printing game.